Hey there, food lovers. Today we're diving into a delicious slice of marketing history with Heinz Ketchup's legendary campaign, The Taste That's Worth the Wait. Let's go back to 1979. Picture this. It's the late 70s. Disco is still alive and the world is craving authenticity. Cue Heinz Ketchup. Set to Carly Simon's classic hit Anticipation. The ad opens with the unmistakable slow-motion pour of Heinz Ketchup. Now, what's genius about this? Heinz took what seemed like a flaw, the slow pour, and turned it into a mark of quality. Think about it. The thicker the ketchup, the richer the taste. They made waiting feel luxurious. The tagline, "The taste that's worth the wait," perfectly captured the era's desire for something real, something with substance. That slow, deliberate flow from the glass bottle wasn't just a visual, it was a statement. It said, hey, good things come to those who wait. But why did this resonate so strongly with consumers? Well, in the 70s, people were starting to value quality over convenience. Heinz tapped into that sentiment perfectly. They positioned themselves as the premium choice, implying that faster, thinner ketchups couldn't compete with their rich, thick consistency. Fast forward to today. The ketchup market is more crowded than ever. Competitors offer everything from organic options to exotic flavors. Yet Heinz still stands tall. Why? Because they've stayed true to their roots. They've kept that thick, quality pour that says we're worth the wait. Imagine a modern twist on this classic campaign. Picture sleek, high-definition shots of Heinz ketchup flowing in slow motion paired with a contemporary rendition of Anticipation, or scenes of diverse folks enjoying Heinz on everything from burgers to fries in their daily lives. The message? Heinz ketchup isn't just a condiment, it's a part of our lives, our memories, our moments. So next time you're waiting for that perfect pour, remember, it's more than just ketchup. It's a tradition of quality. It's the taste that's worth the wait. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to MGO TV Media for more stories. Until next time, keep savoring the moments that matter.